Hey guys, yet another one on the S&P. Now, if this moves down and takes this point of control and takes this low, then next up we have this larger range first of all, with the point of control at 7,141. Then I'm also looking at the thing that I talked about. It's gonna get messy now, but but fuck it. So ABC and wave W X ABC Y ABC X ABC Z. Okay. No, not like this. Yellow. Then I'm gonna remove this here. Remove this here. Not relevant anymore, I think, unless this like bounces here later today and tomorrow and holds this as low. But for now, also gonna remove this. Also gonna remove this because I'm starting to lean towards we're gonna take this low, unless it proves me otherwise later today. Man, it's the first time in a long time that I've seen the RSI like just hover around for this long in oversold. Yeah, like here it was as well, but like not like here. Now it's like really like bunched up without really giving any significant bounce. Yeah, we got one yesterday, but we really got rejected once more during the day like yesterday, and massive volume. Like there are massive swings here. I've not seen this, I think, ever since I started making videos. Like this crazy amount of volume, and like in 1-2 hours swinging from like +1 to like -1, 2% swings. Yeah, it can happen, but I don't think it happens often, I guess. So yeah, let's first of all quickly look at WXYXZ. What does it say here? 333 WXYXZ X wave WXYXZ. Okay, so wave Y cannot pass the 1.618, or it can become an impulsive wave 3. So I think in our case we do pass it, but I don't think it's an impulse and it's a wave 3, because once again this is a 3-wave move. Okay, so I can't label this as a wave 1, 2, 3. In that case it could have been like, yeah, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 5, but I don't think that's the case because of this. That's why this is a W in my opinion. X. Now the Y wave. Let's check the box. As you can see, we will have passed the 1.618 by a lot. Yep. So that's why it can be a wave 3, but I don't think it is a wave 3, because once again 3-wave move here. Then also if we look at this 1, 2, 3, look at this wave 4, it's massive compared to this. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then inside here wave 3 you want the highest volume. Here we have higher volume in here, so also that. So I'm not leaning towards it being an impulse. Okay, I'm gonna keep this ABC and the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on the chart, because yeah, if this somehow recovers from here tomorrow and goes up, then this will be the ABC and it will be done. But as a reason, not as a reason, because it's also looking like we are showing weakness here now, and increases, and this then increases probabilities to take this low. I want to have this box here prepared. Okay, and that's what we are doing now with the yellow count. Sorry, my English is very bad. I'm, I guess, super tired. I just came back from playing a football game, and I've got the early shift this week, so I'm up from like 5:30 a.m. and it's like now 10 p.m. almost. So I'm pretty dazed, but okay. So WXY, then 3-wave move and an X wave, and then now the Z wave. Let me check how we took that target box of wave W, WXYXZ. So Z wave is the 618 121 or the 1.236 of the wave W. So taking it from the W and then toggling it to the second X, not the first X. So I took it wrongly here, I think, or like not wrong, but I took the internal box here from this ABC inside wave set. Okay, so I'll put this in light, and then I'll take one from W to then the X wave here, but then this doesn't work in this case, I think, because yeah, this is Y wave is a little bit too long, I think, and then yeah, this is a little bit too shallow, this W wave, so I'm gonna remove that and I'm gonna toggle this one back into yellow with then here A B, C, B, C. Like this would be a way to make a yeah WXYXZ potentially work. I know it's tricky. I also am not really used to labeling WXYXZs, but I do this now because I think, once again, this is not an impulse to the downside. First of all, 3 wave move in here, then 1, 2. This wave 2 is very short compared to this wave 4. That's the second thing. Yep, we did not invalidate this 618, or like if I take it like this, no, as you can see we missed it. If we did hit this as well, it would increase my confidence now, but we didn't. Still, I don't think it's an impulse. And then yeah, market is closed now. Oh, it would be actually nice, just push, man, just flush it, like, and when the market is closed, just push, and then tomorrow will flipping finally rebound ideally. But yeah, looking at this now, I think we're gonna take this low tomorrow. Okay, we are approaching the 886 here to the downside from this potential 1-2 setup ABC, but once again too short this one compared to this whole correction, so it's also about to hit the 86, so we should prepare for this here to be tested. We've got the 0.618 as a target box as well for wave set, but that's above the A wave, so not gonna care about this one, and that will then remove this box here. I'm gonna remove this point of control here as well. And then we will mark this as the next area, okay, where we have the 1-to-1 together with a larger point of control here together with the 0.382, and if we can reach this, actually that's also very nice. Then we have a very good looking 1-2 setup actually. Okay, this is this 5 wave move up. Okay, perfect, very perfect. We said 9 weeks in a row green, we have to expect downside price action. We did get to the first fib. Now then, maybe even get to the second fib, and there we have confidence with yeah, this the 1.236. That's what the box is standing for. Okay, yeah, it's doing it. It's really pushing now. And then we will once again push towards oversold on the 1 hour. Maybe create a double bullish divergence here, unless this goes below this here. If this really wants to go to here, it doesn't have to. Okay, maybe it's just gonna take this A wave and then it's gonna find a low, because the target box starts at the 618, and then in between we also have levels like the 0.8 or whatever. Okay, it can find support anywhere, so maybe I'll toggle the box on like this, but the strongest zone will be here in the green box. Then 4 hour RSI back to back into oversold territory, so I still think we will bounce here, okay, tomorrow or Friday with maybe the SpaceX IPO. And then this is the largest range that we have, I think, in this whole move up with the point of control there. So I know it's been really a pretty sharp move to the downside in the past few weeks. No, not few weeks, in the past few days, in the past week. instead of like choppiness and slow obvious corrective moves to the downside with like very clear 3-wave moves, lower volume, we have had really quite some volatility here. And once again, I've not seen this myself yet. This is the first time, and today's volume even peaking here higher. So trying my best. I know it's tricky. I'm again not trying to look at the other stocks today because most of them haven't like changed the scenario. I haven't changed any scenario at all compared to the videos from yesterday. They're also just slowing down. Like today they moved down as well, but slower. Okay, some did flush even more once again, but I think I covered it all in the last video, so we'll wait. I'll wait for tomorrow, and then tomorrow also it's my last day. I have to work. I will look to all the charts and update them all. I guess today maybe I will do Oracle if I'm just waiting now for this earnings report to come in, and then yeah, I'll do this one and then I'll go to sleep. Sorry, English was very bad this video, but once again I'm tired. I'm really tired. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.